Mayo, what you got? Now,
Instead
is
of
it
going
worth
through
it?
a hole like this, it's going through a hole like this.
Yeah.
I'd say just cut them behind it.
Bigger the hole, the better, right?
Come alive.
Cut it off at the headers, dude. We'll run a straight pipe out the sides, Corvette style on it if you want. Oh, okay, Dave's gonna fire it up.
Yeah.
32 valves.
That sounds throaty, man.
Oh yeah. What do you think, Mayo?
Yeah.
All right, let's take it out for a little rip around the parking lot, dude. Let's hear it under a load. Oh yeah, got just a little bee stinger under there now. I hope you don't sit in traffic too long. It might fill the cab with some emissions. Little 18-inch little stinger out the side or something. But yeah, let's get a little pull, man. Drop that bad boy in first. This car is like surprisingly luxurious. Like
Cadillac.
Yeah, dude. There's some stuff in it that just cracks me up, man. When you see like the level of like detail that goes into it. Oh yeah, this is a proper 17-year-old's car, dude. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, with the front end squeaking. What's that?
I can't see what gear it's in because it's out.
Oh, it turned. Oh, it was working the other day.
Yeah, it was working in the morning when it was cold.
Just count them.
Just-
Go all the way down.
Well, if you go all the way down with your shifter, it'll stay in first. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah, so you don't got to rip it, but just get the RPM up a little bit.
It actually doesn't sound bad, dude.
No, it never has. Like, it has so much rust that like the mufflers were ate out, and it actually already sounded pretty. Oh, look at that body roll. What do you think, Mayo? You love it?
Oh my gosh, I love it so much.
Hey, keep the grease off the interior, man. All right, what are you guys doing over here? You know what you're doing?
You always catch them when something's in the mouth, huh?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you got to keep things out of your mouth if you don't want that to happen.
How big was you smiling?
Oh, dude, it's hilarious. It's hilarious. He loves it. He's so pumped. He's like slapping the door.
Ear to ear, man.
Yeah.
That's all that counts.
Yeah, Mayo. Today's a good day.
Today is a
You
really
gotta
good
get your
day.
gotta get your plates now.
Yeah, this week for sure. This week.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll get you new plates and insurance and slide down in there. And everything with spark plugs is real gentle and real straight, because if you twist it, you'll break the porcelain portion off, and then you're in a world of hurt. Sometimes it's not so bad. So you want to keep it straight. That's not on the socket, so remember to push it down in. Make sure it's on there. That came loose surprisingly easy, if that is actually loosening. So yeah, wing it, brother.
I feel like I'm not doing much.
No? Here, you hold this real quick. Watch the tool and see what happens. So sometimes it's nice to go by feel. Yeah, you're working. These are gonna be fine threads, so they will take a little while longer than like a coarse thread bolt. But yeah, you're going. But with things that are delicate, sometimes I like to take the ratchet handle off or the tool handle off and just do as much by hand as I can. There it is. Yeah, she's a little dirty. So these are supposed to be gapped at 45 thousandths. You got the other plug. So this is your spark plug gapper here. See all your readings? You got 40 and 50. So start at your smallest one, 20 thousandths, and you just walk it around. And these need to be, these are gapped at like 55 right now, so we're gonna have to push them down a little bit. Make a small adjustment just like that. and be careful because you can snap those off. And that got us down to 45. You see how it's hanging up right at about 44, 45? Yeah. You know, so you want it to be able to get in and out pretty easy from your setting. Boom. So I'd say that's good. So you'll do the next ones. And then, like I said, use your special socket. I like to start by hand because if you strip this thread out, you're in for a lot of labor hours getting it fixed. So there you go. So it's started. And then, like I said, I like to just do them one at a time. Your coil packs are all labeled, and so are all these. So this is actually already like set up really well for a beginner just because they're labeled. But okay, so it just snugged up, and I just go about 1/8 of a turn. That's it. Pop your spark plug boot back on. Should feel a nice positive click. That's it. The rest are you.
Alright, sounds good.
Yeah, that's a little bit warm. I don't know if that's ever been changed.
It smells good. It smells like a Cadillac.
Yeah.
And then we'll pull the valley cover here, intake dress up plate, and then we'll pull the coil packs after that. But I'm guessing you're gonna have some vacuuming to do in this area, and then back in here we can see kind of some old rat nests and stuff, and that's that piss smell that you're smelling. All right, let's get an update on the Diplomat here. There it is. Almost there. This thing is a bit of a shoehorn job. You gotta want it on this one. Look at that, dude. Out there wrenching in the rain. 2 more? You want to pull it in? He's good.
That's so weird.
Dude, what happened?
This one sucks. It's like there's a wire harness in the way. We had to unplug it, and then it's still like kind of in the way.
Dave, I thought Dave's doing you a real solid right now.
I know.
He doesn't even work here.
This one is so...
Hurry up and get it in, and you can...
I try. It's supposed to be in there.
Good luck, boys. He's like, Mayo, what's taking so long? He's like, the wiring harness is in the way. Like, yeah.
He wants to learn. That's a great way to learn.
That's a good car to change plugs on. That thing's super easy. I mean, not the easiest, but it ain't bad.
Yeah.
Quick update. Had to take a little break. Got the boys some fuel here. Dave's in town. He doesn't even work here. Putting in the effort. What do you got going?
Change the spark plugs.
Okay. Got plugs.
I ripped off the exhaust.
Cut the exhaust.
And then I vacuumed to places I couldn't get when the cover was on it.
Yep.
And there's still a lot that needs to be vacuumed, but in order to do that...
Yeah. You're getting the rat's nest out.
Yeah.
How did the first spark plug change that you've ever done go?
It was good, other than, you know, it started pouring
Yeah.
while I was out there, and then the last one is like in between a wire harness and a bunch of wires, so
Yep.
it's really hard to
There's always one.
get out.
There's always one. Bill, what's up with the Diplomat? Motor's in, but not permanently, but it won't come all the way back out again, correct?
It's in there semi-permanently
Yeah,
right now.
but it's not bolted in, all
No.
that stuff. All right, what's the deal with the column?
Well, that collapsible joint there, every one I've tried to take off, the roll pin either snaps in it or they're seized onto the steering box, so you have to cut them, split them, get them off. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm having some header interference, so we're just going to put a straight D shaft and a couple rag joints in it and be done with it. Heads are going to be coming back off. I still need to,
Yeah, we got to do the springs, right?
yeah, still need to clean up the valves in that one. Lap the valves in it.
Fire the lack up for us real quick. Let's get a true exhaust tone for us. Do you want to do a full exhaust, or you like where it's at?
I like how it sounds, but I've always wanted to do one of those valve ones, so it's quiet. And
Oh,
then
you
can
want to
make
do
it
header
really loud.
dumps?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I do
I do like how it sounds, but my
I don't know,
girlfriend's
yeah.
parents wouldn't, especially when you know, that would be kind of annoying for their neighborhood. So
Yeah.
making sure it can get quiet would be a life change.
Okay. Let's hear it. Let's hear this bad boy. Got some bite. He likes it. Sounds good, dude. That valve train sounded silky too, bro. This is a rough mock-up of the engine. We got the high rise because it's free, but we're gonna paint it up. That's gonna be crinkled black to match these. Have some AN lines, obviously all the accessories and stuff. A lot of black in there, so it's gonna be a lot of aluminum and black. And then this will get a fresh coat of this. You're going back to this silver paint? The factory?
engine paint? Yeah,
factory silver paint.
We'll
Then we
make
got
the
a
silver with the blue and the black.
yeah. We already got the wiring harness for it. We got a brake booster situation sorted out already. So we mount a that was a like 73 to 87 square body, I think. Power brake booster, 9-inch diameter, fits in there. It's a little tight, but it fits. It's gonna be a luxury cruiser, you know. It's gonna be a little touch of horsepower, maybe 375 at the wheels. Got the, oh, there's dirt in the interior, man.
Ain't dirt, it's headline.
Is that what it is? Oh, you're right. Yeah, it'll vacuum out. We've got these.
I'll rip the headline around so I can get rid of it.
Oh yeah, he's got, that's the new one there. But I mean the button tuck, I'm a fan. Look at that, dude. Look at this thing. Yeah, she's been sitting a while. Needs a little love. Look at this bad boy. Now you're gonna have a solid motor mount, a little cammed out 327 LS in there. I do like where the motor ended up sitting. This thing is gonna take corners not that well still. Still not that well. But we're giving it every opportunity.